What's up, hustlers? I hope y'all out there hustling hard and staying safe. It's your boy, the Gig Hustler, sliding through real quick. Hey, man, I love the gig community, man. We had a great live stream with UDM. Shout out to UDM and the D fam. It was great. Almost 5 hours. I didn't even know it was that long. I just look up like, man, time and flew. I still come in 2 in the morning on a Saturday, like the good old days. But, man, shout out to all the content creators that got together to get on the live stream. Shout out to Dash with Vaughn, UDM, Roy, Ace. Everybody else was on there whose names I'm not even remembering, man. That's what we got to keep doing, man. I love to get together, the respect of the community. We just got to keep it like that, because there's no 100% right answer, because every area is different. Every city is different. Every area is different. To get everybody's perspective for certain things you can and can't try, it's the love, it's the beauty of it. And we all get together, make a melting pot and kick it. That's all it is, man. There's no, as long as everybody stay respectful, it's good business. And I love it, man. I prefer that in this gig world, man, because everybody hashing and attacking each other. You don't have the answer. Your stuff may work where you at. It may not work where I'm at, and vice versa. Now, me personally, I done dashed in different states. I know how way different things could be out here. So I know how it can get crazy. I know how different markets work to some extent. So I know. That's why when I threw my content out, I try to put content directed for Chicago, and I try to do some generalization content. Like my acceptance rate content is for everybody. I see acceptance rate is a big thing. I have some strategy, even though I don't personally care about it. I do have some strategies for it that I try to apply and try to put out videos to see if everybody wants to digest it. Hey, take it if you want to. If not, leave it there. Hey, that's all it is, man. But man, y'all stay safe. The states that get snow and cold weather, about to be that time, baby. Chicago is 40 degrees. There's little flurries out here already, man. Time flying. Holidays around the corner. I'm going to keep emphasizing that, because holidays is the best money, and then it's a big slowdown. So make y'all money. Do y'all extra time if y'all can. Make as much money as you can, so that slowdown won't affect y'all as much, man. But hey, man, it's love to all of y'all. Keep watching. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Check y'all later. Hustle out. Peace.